What do you have to do to get that ball to move? No.
The red ball.
You have to take the ball out. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. You have to be fast. Oh, they both did it by themselves.
All right.
That wiggle is something else.
Woo! Let me see that butt wiggle.
Oh, you are going to go to sleep, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yep, he is. You want to put him down someplace?
I'll give him a little bit more sleep first.
Do we have the swing out? He'll sleep in the swing.
Yeah.
I hope you said thank you to Auntie Laura for that present.